Hello everybody, this is Lord Shen Films and welcome to my channel. Today's battle is Tai Lung versus Death Wolf. This is a remake to my old video since my oldest video turned out horrible. So I'm deciding to remake the video. So I hope you all like it. Leave a like and leave a comment to any suggestion that you want, because I'm running out of suggestions for versus battles. But I know one of you just said you want me to do Blood Wolf versus the Chameleon. I could do that sometime soon, but not this weekend. Maybe sometime too soon. No more messing around, and let's get into the video.
Well, if it isn't
Tai Lung
himself.
That's right. It is I, Tai Lung.
In the flesh.
Who are you?
I'm death, straight up. And I've come for you.
What are you gonna do? Sit on me?
Everyone thinks they'll be the one to defeat me, but no one's escaped me yet.
So, that is how it's going to be.
This is gonna be fun.
Finally, a worthy opponent. Our battle will be legendary.